Hi, in front of me is VERNEE M5 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Shadow Galaxy. Firstly, open Play Store, then type Shadow Galaxy. And download this app from this developer. Open it, click on Settings and adjust your wallpaper however you want to. When you're done, go back, click Open and click on Set Wallpaper at the top left corner. Select if you wanted to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!